Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we have a wig review, but before we get into that, I'm showing you guys that I tried one of these lip masks. Well, this is my first time trying one. I've had this one for a while and I feel like they actually work. That's why I wanted to share it with you. Have you guys tried any of these lip masks? They made my lips super soft and I really like it. Okay, enough of this side note. Let's get into the wig review today. So today's review comes to us from Sensationnel. Yay! So today I have a really pretty wig, you guys. I'm not just saying that. This wig really blew me away. It is super pretty. So this one's from the Balayage collection. It's Balayage 19 and it has these curls. It's the middle part. You do get your normal construction with this. So I have the color Balayage Gold and the color is really pretty. Very simple, but I love it. So of course I went in and did my normal and I sprayed the lace and it came out really good. This hair is super soft, you guys. Like one of my favorite units is from the Balayage collection and it's a curly one like this, but I think it's a left side part, but it's really pretty. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. It feels amazing. It's so soft. This feels almost like human hair. Like, yes. So I'm loving it. Even though it's a middle part, I just feel like the length is perfect. Everything on it, having this little bit of color kind of like peeking through is nice. I'm gonna push this the hair back into the hairline just a little bit, just a teeny bit. So I'm just pushing it back. That's how the hairline looks. So the hairline's kind of thick on this, but it's okay. It's okay. You can pluck it if you want. The lace is nice though. So the lace is really nice. I'm going to cut off the lace. Let's cut the lace off. So as I mentioned, the curls on this reminds me of Butter Unit 10. I feel like this one here has a little bit more natural density. So if you have 10, this pretty much reminds me of that one. This one here, as far as the density and maybe the length, I think that's a little bit more natural. Plus this one's a middle part and I think that one might be a left side part. Don't quote me on this, sis. So what I ended up doing was going in and playing with the hairline a little bit. You can pluck this to the gods and get this melt. I only plucked it a little bit and you guys will see like I didn't pluck it that much. I just plucked it where I'm going to have it push back in the front where you would see more of the lace, so to speak. So once I went in and plucked it just a little bit, I started cutting lace off. This wig came together. I was totally shook. I was like, okay, you know, usually the butter lace is good, but when I pulled this out, this reminded me of a human hair wet and wavy wig. Like, really sensational. That's what y'all doing now. So I went in with my tweezers. That's what I've been using lately and I love that technique of just going in, taking out a couple pieces of wispy hairs. Now this one did come with baby hairs like laid down in the front, so you can use the ones that already come, you know, factory made or from the company, but I am liking pulling out the hairs the way I've been doing it lately. To me that makes it look super natural and it just gives you sparse pieces of hairs that you can work with. So if you're not really good at baby hairs, then you know, it just gives you a little something in the front, you know what I'm saying? So this one here is the middle part. Y'all know, if you watch me, I am a left side part girl. So I tried to like put it over to the left side just a little bit, but I'm not sure if it came out right or if it just looks like my part lopsided. So after I did that and got the hair how I wanted it in the front, I went in and put a little bit of mousse and a little bit of oil on this, and I put a little bit of powder in that part area. You guys, the hairline on this came out phenomenal. Like, I was like, who is she? You do not know me. That's how I was in this wig. Okay, I wore this wig out that day and I just kept it on for like a couple days straight, which I usually don't do that. So I have to give Sensationnel their credit. So this is going to be the hairline and the finished product when it comes to this wig. She is beautiful. Love the curls. I will say that the only con is that it did dry out a little bit on the tips, you know, after wearing it for multiple days, but the curls still look good on this wig. So thank y'all so much for catching me today. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Return subscribers in YouTube, babes. Hey girl, hey. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.